I'll make it quick. Here we go. When we last saw Phil, he was waiting on a steak to finish cooking. Dang it, Bill, you're losing him already. Think, Bill, think. What would the boy do? All of a sudden, Phil's microwave came to life. Then the monster burst through his house. It put itself on the highest setting and started torching the neighborhood.
Whoa, now that's what I call action. Ah!
Phil knew he had to do something. But what? He was just a boring old man. But maybe he wasn't. Yeah, maybe he was a retired firefighter the whole time.
Oh, cool. What an awesome character detail.
So Phil set to work saving his neighbors.
All right.
But his renegade appliance had other plans. Phil fought bravely, but he was no match for the microwave's 5 billion watts of destructive power. He was running out of options, but luckily, something whimsical happened. His friends from outer space arrived as reinforcements.
Always nice to have a little whimsy.
With the microwave monster distracted, Phil knew exactly what to do. Sometimes the best solution is the simplest one.
Oh my gosh, does it? Does it?
Yep. It explodes.
All right.
And so, the microwave monster was destroyed.
Yay!
But so was the town.
Aww.
Luckily, Phil's mom told him to buy insurance, and he listened to her so everything was fixed.
Yay!
And that's why you always listen to your mother.
Finally, the lesson.
And they all lived happily ever after.